Let's get ready together and do some makeup. We're going to the beach, so I want to do something very simple and skin-like. I usually call this kind of makeup see-through makeup because my goal is to still see your skin underneath the makeup. And I just used the BADESCU facial spray with aloe vera and rosewater. This has been one of my old favorites and I still love it so much. I actually filmed a very fun get ready with me with all my old favorites, so I will link it down below if you want to watch it. Now I'm going in with the RHODE glazing milk. And this just gives me instant hydration and also acts like a primer for my makeup. I'm gonna give my skin a moment to absorb everything, so I'm gonna do my brows in the meantime. Next, for my lip tint, the HUDA BEAUTY in rosewood, because of course I do want my lip combo to last all day. My lips feel kind of dry, so I'm gonna go in with the LANEIGE sleeping mask. Now I'm gonna go in with the tinted moisturizer and SPF from Beauty of JOSEON. And I am in the shade MP200. And I'm gonna blend this out with a fluffy brush. Okay, I feel like I have to put my hair away. Okay, that's better. And as you can see, like my skin is really see-through, so it just gives it a tint. And of course it has the SPF as well. Moving on to contouring, I'm using the WESTMAN Atelier contour stick in the shade Truffle. This blends like a dream. I'm obsessed with this contour stick. And also the shade is just like in between. It's like a contour but also bronzer. It's like this in between shade, which I really love. Okay, so next for blush, I'm gonna go in with the benetint because I think this will last me the longest, and also it's perfect like because you can still see my skin through it. And of course the goal for today is see-through and skin-like makeup. So if you feel like anything that you put on peels away or looks cakey, then definitely try the benetint out because it will just give you the flush, like the tint, without sitting on your skin. Like you can see, it looks like as if there's nothing on my skin. Okay, now for concealer, I'm gonna go in with my all-time favorite. This is NARS in the shade Custard, and I'm just using the tiniest amount. Before I blend that out, I'm just gonna spray one more time. Oh gosh, I love this stuff so much, like it gives me instant hydration. gonna use a tiny bit of the Westman Atelier highlighter stick. This one is in the shade Nectar. This again looks so good. Also for my eyes, it just gives this like natural glow from within. Like, you cannot go wrong with this product, and you can never have too much of it. It looks glowy in the right way, like without being greasy or glittery. Like, you can see for yourself. I'm obsessed. I'm really lucky that I filmed this because this is gonna be my new makeup routine for summer. Okay, now I'm gonna do the tiniest bit of setting powder, and this one is from HUDA BEAUTY. And I'm really just gonna do under my eyes and wherever I really get oily. I had a question the other day what skin type I am. I do get oily, but if I don't do my skincare or my moisturizer, then I will be dry. I am normal combination skin type. I do the necessary steps to prevent any like oiliness or dryness. So yeah, I think I kind of am in the middle. So yeah, that is the answer on what skin type I am. I would also love to know what skin type you guys are, so please let me know in the comments below. I would love to include some products or alternatives if I know what skin type you are. So yeah, generally I think you can do any of my makeup routines. Just make sure that you're not too sensitive for specific products, because I know some people have, for example, issues with the RHODE glazing milk, and maybe if you're too sensitive you will not be okay with things that have a strong scent like the HUDA BEAUTY powder. But I think she also came up with a unscented powder, so these are the things that you can use alternatively. So to be honest, I feel like the beauty industry has made something for everyone, so everyone can enjoy makeup, and that's really nice because of course we all want to look cute, do the makeup that we get inspired by. By the way, I'm using the LANCOME waterproof mascara. I'm gonna do 2 coats as always. I'm just gonna do a tiny bit on the bottom lashes. Okay, so for my face I feel like I'm done. I'm just gonna wipe away my lip mask. Okay, I'm gonna do the KYLIE Cosmetics lip liner in the shade Comes Naturally. And this shade really goes well with the HUDA BEAUTY lip stain I put on earlier. Yeah, I don't know what she put in here, but it's so good. And you guys know I don't have lip fillers, so I really need everything that makes my lip look bigger. This is, by the way, the RHODE lip tint in the shade Jelly Bean. And again, I love this so much. This smells like literal candies. It has tiny little glitters, but you can almost not see it. So it's definitely not as chunky as the Kiko lip glosses, but for everyday this is so cute and also very hydrating and not sticky at all. Okay, so I'm almost done, but I just want to do a little bit more of the benetint because I want my blush like really showing for today. Yeah, this looks so much better now. Yeah, this is perfect. I honestly cannot live without this benetint, and you guys know this is not sponsored or anything, like I wish. And that's it for this makeup. I'm just gonna spray some all-nighter. This keeps your makeup locked in even when it's super hot outside or you're going to the pool or the beach. This will make sure that your makeup stays on all day long. That's it for this makeup look. I'm gonna let my hair air dry. I really hope you loved this skin-like see-through makeup look. I will do more of them, of course, and also a tutorial coming soon. I just want to make sure that I perfect the makeup routine before I come up with a makeup tutorial for this. Thank you so much for being here as always. I love you so much, and I will see you in my next one. Bye bye!